Guys, the market is selling off. Should you panic? What should you do now? Buy or sell? Guys, I'm going to be talking about this in today's video. I'm also going to be doing a technical analysis to see if Dogecoin is headed up or down, so you're definitely going to want to stick around until the end of the video. What's up, guys? I'm Joel, and I'm an expert at technical analysis. With 13 years experience as a successful day trader, I call out huge plays before they even happen, and I'm very accurate, as you've seen in my previous videos. Due to high demand, I now offer my buy and sell trade signals. And if you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly cheap and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's where you get my buy and sell trade signals. As I watch the charts throughout the day on a lot of different cryptos, I wait for that steep dip, that rare time to buy in when all the whales have sold out, when there's only about 5 or 10 minutes to get in. I let you guys know that I'm ready to buy so that you guys can buy in as well. I then watch the charts and wait for a peak. When we've at least made 20 to 30% profits, oftentimes double or more, I then let you guys know that I'm ready to sell so that you guys can sell as well or hold your position. Guys, it doesn't matter if you only have $50, $100, or $200 to invest, it's never too little. I've seen successful patrons start with those amounts time and time again. And if you haven't subscribed with that bell rung, be sure to do that so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads. And if you love Dogecoin, smash that like button. It really does help out the channel. And if you guys don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. If you use that link and deposit $100 or more, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. So guys, with Dogecoin sitting at 28 cents, we did have a bit of a sell-off since our price point at 35 cents. Guys, the last time something similar like this happened, we bounced right back up to 34 cents. So I'm expecting another bounce here soon. So you want to have some cash on the side and get ready to buy my dips when I call them out. However, guys, on the Bitcoin and Ethereum charts, we are still looking very bullish with higher highs and higher lows. And like I said, the rest of the cryptocurrency market normally is coupled up along with them and normally follows up along with them. When they do perform with green days, we normally see the rest of the crypto market have green days as well. Well, guys, Dogecoin lags behind sometimes by 2, 3 days, guys, and then it surprises us out of nowhere. So be ready for that. Guys, our level of resistance for Ethereum right now is $2,980. So if we hit that, we'll likely bounce right back off of that and then go right back up to $3,300, just where we were a couple of days ago. And guys, we need to get right back on up to $48,000 to get right back on our bull run for Bitcoin. And I expect within about a week, we'll be seeing that happen. However, our next level of resistance, if we do end up dipping back down on Bitcoin, is 44,000. That's okay, because we're likely to bounce off of that price point and then go right back up from there. Guys, this isn't just the crypto market. We're seeing the NASDAQ, the Dow Jones, and a lot of other stocks in the stock market that are also dipping right now. And sometimes they do work beside one another. And at times they do mimic each other. Guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's simply my opinion based on my experience and software. And guys, during these times, you want to get greedy. When people are selling out, when people are getting scared, having paper hands, and we're seeing these steep dips, you want to buy in. Always have some cash on the side to buy the dips when I call them out. Guys, we're down 25% from our peak at 35 cents on Dogecoin, which means we are likely to see another bounce of around 25% just within the next week. So you want to be sure to make your entry so you have a good position now and get ready for that pump. Guys, never buy on the uptrend. Never have FOMO. Get greedy when it goes up, because then you'll likely wish that you had bought the dip previously. You don't want to buy in on the uptrend, because with every peak we always have a dip, and with every dip we always have a peak. So you're going to want to buy at those steep dips, and that's why I watch the charts throughout the day. Guys, you want to take your profits when I call out my sell signals. That way, when you have those profits and you hold them on the side and you have cash on the side, you're able to have some money to buy the dips later on. Only spend about 10% of your overall investment on each dip. That way you can dollar cost average and make money on each trade in the long run. And guys, as we look at the Dogecoin charts, sure enough, we had a bullish pennant, which gave us that peak that I was able to call out, and then we did have a dip. We had a cup of handle form, which told us that we were either going to break out to the upside or the downside, and sure enough, we broke out to the downside, gave us another chance to call out that dip when I saw it dip steep enough. That way, we were able to collect profits on that uptrend, and we're getting another dip. So you want to be ready for me to call that one out as well. Guys, we might have a bit of a sell-off in this immediate short term. However, we're seeing Ethereum and Bitcoin, when we zoom out, forming very bullish symbols and very bullish patterns on the charts. So you want to hold out. Hold out with diamond hands, never paper hands. That way you never sell for less than you bought in for. And guys, the Dogecoin investment historically has proven to show much more profits in the long run than any other crypto. So you must feel confident having your money in Dogecoin as an investment. And if you guys don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. If you use that link and deposit $100 or more, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. Guys, an article just came out titled, Bitcoin Eyes 200-Day Moving Average, Support as $2 Billion Options, Expiration Nears. This article talks about the bulls being in control. However, it also talks about if the bears gain control from here because they're shorting Bitcoin, we could see some more red days, which is the time that you want to get greedy and buy at those dips. However, it also talks about if the bulls are able to stay in control of the market, we will likely see some very green days this weekend. And guys, on our stock to flow price chart, we see Bitcoin now moving into the blue. And that's exactly where we need Bitcoin to be in order to reach our bullish price targets that we are expected the whole cryptocurrency market to be at towards the end of this year. So guys, there is nothing to worry about there. And if you haven't already joined my Patreon, it's incredibly cheap and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's where you get my buy and sell trade signals. As I watch the charts throughout the day on a lot of different cryptos, I wait for that steep dip, that rare time to buy in when all the whales have sold out, when there's only about 5 or 10 minutes to get in. I let you guys know that I'm ready to buy, so that you guys can buy in as well. I then watch the charts and wait for a peak. When we've at least made 20 to 30% profits, oftentimes double or more. I then let you guys know that I'm ready to sell, so that you guys can sell as well, or hold your position. And guys, if you haven't already subscribed with that bell rung, be sure to do that so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads. And I'll see you tomorrow.